Hey everyone, I made a game. It's called Oops Not Sisi. So if you're interested in the game, you can access it using this link. How it works, it's similar to Whack-A-Mole, but I added new features. Besides groundhogs, there are also Sisi appearing. If you hit Sisi, you lose a life. The other new feature is you can customize your own character. Besides this, you can upload a photo of your family member, your friend. First, let's start with the default game. There are different types of groundhogs. Different groundhogs would give you different amount of points. And if you hit 3 groundhogs in a row, you get extra time. Now this pretends to be a groundhog. Be careful. Now Sisi is appearing as a bundle with groundhogs. Be suspicious. We have a lot of time, but we don't want to die. I have 1 life left. I will survive. Oh no, what do I do? Calm down. We will make it. As you can see, Sisi can also... okay. Alright. Anyways, I'm dead. Let me show you how you can customize your own character. You choose Change Character. And here you can upload a photo. Here I use a crow and I rename the character to Crow. Now it becomes Oops, Not Crow. And we start the game. So now instead of Sisi, we have a crow appearing. It's not only accessible to laptop, you can also access it via your mobile or iPad. You can just copy the link, go to the web page, we start a game, and it works the same way. Try the game. If you have any suggestions or you think there are some fun new features can be added, let me know. I would be glad to improve the game.